Not using your Binance account anymore? In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Binance account, step by step. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into the account you want to delete. Tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen to open the main settings. Then tap More Services to unlock full settings options. Go to Security. Then scroll down to Manage Account. Now select Delete Account. Here, pick a reason for deletion. This won't change the result. Your account will still be permanently removed. I'll choose Others, and in the box I'll write, "Please delete my account." Before tapping Continue, make sure you've withdrawn all your funds and you're absolutely sure you want to delete your account. Once it's gone, there's no way to get it back. And that's it. Your Binance account is now permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment if you had questions, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this.